To research cryptocurrencies using the Crypto.com app, start by downloading and installing the app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account or log in if you already have one. The Crypto.com app provides a user-friendly interface to explore and research various cryptocurrencies. First, navigate to the cryptocurrency section, where you can find a list of available coins. Use the search function to find a specific cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Click on the coin to view its detailed page, which includes key information like its current price, market capitalization, and trading volume. The app also provides a chart section, where you can view the historical price movements of the cryptocurrency. This helps you understand the coin's performance over time and make informed decisions. Additionally, the app offers a news section, where you can stay up to date with the latest developments and updates in the cryptocurrency market. To dive deeper into your research, use the app's filtering and sorting features to compare different cryptocurrencies based on factors like market capitalization, price, and trading volume. This allows you to identify trends and patterns in the market. When researching cryptocurrencies, it is essential to consider factors like the coin's use case, team, and technology. Look for coins with a strong use case, an experienced team, and a robust technology stack. Also, consider the coin's liquidity, volatility, and regulatory environment. By following these steps and using the Crypto.com app, you can conduct thorough research on cryptocurrencies and make informed investment decisions. Remember to always do your own research and consult with financial experts before investing in any cryptocurrency. The Crypto.com app is a valuable tool for anyone looking to research and stay up to date with the cryptocurrency market.